Can you remember chocolate school cake served with chocolate custard or mint custard? Wow, the memories. Well, I'm going to show you how to make it. It's so easy to make, guys. So easy. Here are the ingredients you will need to make this mouth-watering chocolate school cake. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 160 Celsius. So first we add the cocoa powder. Then we add the hot water. Now, using a hand whisk, just give it a good whisk. Just make sure there is no lumps. Okay, now we add the margarine. The caster sugar. The flour. And beat the eggs. And once the eggs are beat, pour it into the mix. Now we want 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then using a hand whisk, you need to mix all the ingredients up. Now, I would show you on video, but I didn't press record. So I do apologise.
What?
You want the cake mixture looking like this. Now this is a 9x9 square tin. And all you need to do now is put the cake mixture in and then spread it about. Make sure it's nice and level. Now in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius, you want to bake this for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, if you put a knife into the middle of the cake and it comes out wet, you have to put it in for another 5 minutes. Mine was in for 35 minutes, guys. Now it's time to make the icing. So sieve the icing sugar. Make sure there is no lumps. If there is lumps, using a wooden spoon to break down all the lumps and then you can sieve it through. Now it's time to add the cocoa powder. Doing the same as before, using your wooden spoon to break any lumps to get it through the sieve. And once that's done, it's time to add the milk. Just do a little bit at a time and give it a good stir. Now add the rest of the milk. And once your cake is cooled, turn it upside down on a wired tray and pour the icing on top. Make sure you get the middle and the corners. You don't want to miss any. You want to make sure it's fully covered. Now it's time to add sprinkles. You can add sprinkles or you can use these little love hearts. I think I got them from Sainsbury's. Now leave to set for a while and then cut it into 9 pieces. And this could be served with chocolate custard, normal custard, or mint custard. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching, guys.